Hey guys! So today for our foundational skills video, we're going to start off and talk about rhyming because we've been talking about rhyming words. So I'm going to hold up a picture. What is this a picture of? You all shout it out. This is a boat. So look, we have a picture of a boat, then we have the word boat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up two more pictures and I want you all to tell me which one rhymes with boat. Okay, so I have boat right here. I'm going to put boat down here on my paper for a second. Now I have two more. So this is a bug. Look, bug. And this is a coat. Coat. So which one of these rhymes with boat? Point to the picture. Point to the picture that rhymes with boat. It's this one. Good job. It's coat. Look. Boat, coat. And look at the words. Boat, coat. These two rhyme. Good job, guys. So, next I'm going to hold up a couple more pictures. Okay, and our next picture that we are going to try to find a rhyming word that goes with is shell. So everyone say shell. Look. Shell. Okay, I'm going to hold up a couple more pictures. Okay, and I want you to find which one rhymes with shell. So this one was coat, bug, and this is bell. So which one of these rhymes with shell? Coat, bug, or bell? Shout it out. It's bell. Good job. Look. Bell, shell. And here are the words. Bell, shell. Good job. You guys are getting good at that. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is we're going to play a little thumbs up, thumbs down game. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a word, and then I'm going to give you two words, and you have to tell me which one rhymes, okay? So our first word is van. Okay, so think about the word van in your head. Now I'm going to give you two more words, and you tell me which one rhymes with van. So if it's the first word, hold up a 1. Or give me a thumbs up. If it's the second one, when I say it, give me a thumbs up or hold up a 2. Okay, so the word is van. Does pan or hat rhyme with van? 1, pan, or 2, hat? It's number 1, pan. Van, pan. Good job. Okay, so the next one is the word hen. Everyone say the word hen. Good job. Think about hen in your brain. Now, the first word is box, or the second word is pen. So what rhymes with hen? Box or pen? It's number 2. It's pen. Good job. Hen, pen. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Okay, and it's the word box. Okay, so think about the word box. Think about that in your head. Box. Say it. Box. Good job. Okay, does the word fox rhyme or bed? So what rhymes with box? Is it fox or bed? It's number 1. It's fox, right? So you all keep thinking about all those rhyming words, okay? So next I'm going to introduce our word to know, or our sight word this week. So last week it was the word a. The week before it was the word the. This week it's the word see. S-E-E. See. Okay, and I wrote a sentence up here on the board. It says, here's the word see, S-E-E, and it says, I can see with my glasses. I just wrote that word up there. So I'm going to write the word see up here, and I want you all to watch me. S-E-E. See. So our word to know this week is see. And today, whenever you do your work, you're going to be completing this page. And it's a read and spell page. And it is just practicing the word see. So you read it, you trace it, you color it, write it, spell it, and then you circle all the ones that say see down here. Okay? So I want you all to practice with the word see today. Okay? Next, I'm going to be introducing some letters. So we are almost finished with the whole alphabet. So our first letter this week is the letter Q. Everybody say Q. This is an uppercase Q. This is a lowercase q. Okay? So the letter Q makes the sound qu. I want you all to say that. Qu. We're going to say Q, quilt, qu. You all say that. Q, quilt, qu. Q, quilt, qu. Good job. Okay, so we don't have any friends that start with the letter Q, but I want you all to be thinking about some different words that you hear that might start with qu. So we see quilt right here. Also, the word queen, we use that a lot at school too. Queen, quilt. Okay, so everyone say Q, queen, or Q, quilt, qu. Q, quilt, qu. Good job. Now we're going to be practicing writing some Q's. So I want everyone to look up here at my board, and we're going to do it just right down here underneath where we were writing the word C. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to make a big circle, almost like an O. Well, it's pretty much just like an O. So you just make a big circle, but then we're going to start over here at the bottom, and we're going to make a little stick that goes down at a diagonal like this. That is a capital Q. Okay? So now I'm going to do a lowercase. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a letter, and it's going to look like a lowercase a kind of. But then we're going to draw a stick straight down and kind of give it a hook. Okay? So you all are going to be practicing that today on your practice page, the letter Q. So you're going to trace them up here. Then you're going to trace them right here again, and then you all are going to make some Q's for me. So this is a capital or an uppercase. This is a lowercase q. So I want you all to be practicing those. Okay? And remember, it's Q, quilt, qu. Say that one more time. Q, quilt, qu. Good job. Okay, so next we have another letter today, and it is the letter R. So I want you all to look at this picture. What is this a picture of? It's a rabbit, right? Good job. So this is a capital R. This is a lowercase r. So I want you all to we're going to make the sound that an R makes. Okay? So the letter R makes a sound er. So we're going to say R, rabbit, R, rabbit, Okay? Good job. Now, there's lots of words that start with an R and the sound. We have one friend in kindergarten whose name starts with an R, and it is Ryan in Miss Russell's class. So Ryan, we are going to write your name up here as soon as we make our capital letter R and our lowercase r. So under our Q right here, I'm going to write a big capital R. So we're going to draw a stick straight down. We are going to connect it back here, and then we're going to go straight down. So this is a capital R. Now for lowercase, we are going to draw a stick straight down, a small stick, and then we're going to do a hook right there. So this is a capital R, and this is a lowercase r. Okay, and Ryan in Miss Russell's class, we're going to write his name right here. So his name starts with a capital letter because it's his name. So we have R, Y, A, N, Ryan. So the R in Ryan says just like in rabbit. Right, so we're going to say R, rabbit, R, rabbit, Good job. Okay, I'm going to flip our page before we practice our last letter so we have some room. Actually, you know what? I think I can fit it over here. I'm just going to scoot my chart paper over a little bit. So our next and last letter for the day is the letter S. Everyone, look at my picture. Okay, this is an S. This is a capital S or an uppercase, and this is the lowercase s. Okay? So the letter S says S. So we're going to say S, sun, S. S, sun, S. And that's kind of a fun noise to make. It reminds me of a snake. Or we could say S, snake, S. Right? Okay, so we have two friends in kindergarten whose names start with an S, and it's Sophia and Savannah. So we're going to write your names up here on the board after we practice drawing our S's. So over here, I'm going to start with for my capital S. And I'm going to start right here. Do like this. And then for the lowercase, it is the same thing. It's just a little smaller. Okay, so this is a capital S. This is a lowercase s. So you kind of start up at the top, and then you curve, and then you go back toward the ground, and you curve again. Same thing with the smaller one. You curve, go back, and curve again. Okay, so you all are going to be practicing those letters. Here's your R practice page you're going to be doing. Here's your S practice page you're going to be doing. Okay, so you all are going to be practicing those. Now, I'm going to write Savannah's name and Sophia's name right here because they both start with an S. So first I'm going to write Sophia. S, that starts with a capital. O-P-H-I-A. Sophia. Starts with the S sound. Also, we have Savannah, who's in my class, Miss Hodges' class. Capital S, A, V, A, N, N, A, H. Savannah starts with the S sound. Now, which one of these names is longer? Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Sophia has 6 letters. Let's count Savannah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Savannah's name has 8 letters. Sophia's has 6. Let's go back and count Ryan's. I forgot to count Ryan's. Let's count how many letters are in Ryan's name. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Ryan has 4 letters in his name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are going to be practicing using all of those letters today, and we're going to be practicing our word to know or our sight word, which is C, S-E-E, and then we're going to be practicing that Q sound, which was Q, quilt, qua. You all say that. Q, quilt, qua. Then our R, which was rabbit. R, rabbit, R, rabbit, and then our S sound, which was S, sun, S. S, sun, S. So I want you all to be practicing those words. Also be listening for rhyming words whenever you're doing whatever you're doing today. See you later.